Ollie will pay the ultimate price, obviously. Ollie will lose his job working with this group of players. You think it's up to Ollie to motivate these players?
हेलो एंड वेलकम टू येट अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ मुंबई से मैनचेस्टर। आज हम बात करेंगे एवर्टन वर्सेस मैन यूनाइटेड की। विल टॉक अबाउट टैक्टिक्स, प्रेडिक्टेड लाइनअप्स, स्कोर प्रेडिक्शंस, all the stuff happening on social media. So, Saurabh, what's the importance of this game?
I think this game is extremely important. जैसे आप स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हो, एवर्टन के लास्ट 10 गेम्स का फॉर्म वर्सेस यूनाइटेड का लास्ट 10 गेम का फॉर्म इतना ड्रास्टिकली डिफरेंट दिख रहा नहीं है if you look at it objectively. Both Everton and United have lost their last 2 games. दोनों ने लास्ट 5 में एक ड्रॉ किया है और 2 हारे हैं. Just that you can see that big blip United had against Tottenham, and इसके पहले United 2 गेम्स हारे हैं. So Premier League form इतना अच्छा नहीं रहा है. More importantly, more than the actual team form, there is a lot of negative press about Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. There is a recurring theme that the players are throwing Solskjaer under the bus. There is a recurring theme that Pochettino has made himself available and is looking to take Ole's job, and he wants it now. There is a recurring theme that going into the international break, there might be the first sacking of the season, and it might be Pochettino replacing Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. So for Ole and for Manchester United fans, this game is extremely important. Especially if you're Ole in, this game is extremely important. Even if you're Ole out, you should never want United to lose a game. So it is extremely important.
Yeah, I feel इतना जो मेरी गो राउंड चल रहा है 7 साल से, like you keep on bringing in managers just because you don't have results. इस समय ऐसे लग रहा है कि Ole is trying to bed the team in. We are almost there. The players need to step up. They need to show that appetite of going game after game and really getting those results. But yeah, let's get into the predicted lineups then. क्या लगता है lineup कैसे करेंगे हम?
So I feel that because this is so critical for Solskjaer, I think he will go with his trusted 3-1. That is the formation सबसे ज़्यादा time खेला है Solskjaer ने. That is the formation that he trusts. I don't think कल वो diamond खेलेगा. I don't think कल वो 5 at the back खेलेगा. He will play his greatest hits tune. Second point था कि he will play the players who owe Solskjaer one. मतलब if you look at his starting lineup, Mason Greenwood owes Ole Gunnar Solskjaer big time. The way he got Greenwood in the team, जैसे उसका media presence manage किया है, जैसे उसको shield किया है when needed, Greenwood owes Solskjaer a big deal. Martial का form और उसका career turnaround हुआ है. He was down in the dumps when Mourinho was here. He owes Solskjaer a big deal. Maguire is Solskjaer's captain. So I think that the 11 players I have put in here are the players who I think will play for the manager. अगर ऐसा उनको बोला है कि ये match हारे तो तुम्हारा you will get another manager in. These are the 11 players who have the most to lose. Now you can argue that Pogba can be substituted by McTominay, and I think that might also be the likely choice. हमेशा जब भी Solskjaer has had a series of bad results, he has put Fred and McTominay in the center of midfield to give that additional defensive protection. वो भी हो सकता है. But I think this is the game. This is the team that we should expect tomorrow.
Lindelof क्या confirm किया है क्या Solskjaer ने कि or is he touch and go for the game?
I think he's recovered from a bad back. अगर नहीं रहेगा तो Tuanzebe will come in place of Lindelof.
And just my thought or my opinion here, Martial के जगह मुझे seriously लगता है, seeing Martial's form, I know he scored that goal against Istanbul. I think it's time to give Cavani that chance.
Yeah. So next is go for the win. Dismiss all claims that Everton will challenge for the league title. I think they have had a good start. They have a good starting lineup, but they don't have the squad depth to win the league. So let's beat them and let's go for the win and dismiss all myth that Everton are going to be the new Leicester, at least for this season. They be the team that runs the most, tackles the most, passes the most, and bottom line scores the most goals.
Yeah.
And last is attack. अगर हम लोग ने goals concede किए, so be it, we'll score more than what Everton does. Believe in our attack and let's go all out and attack.
लीडर बनो यार पिच पे, मतलब ढूंढो नहीं कि भाई अरे मगवायर लीडर है या लिंडलॉफ है या डेहेया है या ब्रूनो है, तुम सब लीडर चाहिए. मतलब दैट फर्स्ट गोल वी कंसीडर्ड अगेंस्ट इस्तांबुल, मतलब आई समवन शुड बी शाउटिंग देयर लाइक हार्ट्स आउट कि भाई एक ही प्लेयर पीछे है, मैटिच वो भी इतना दूर है बास है, एंड हु इज गोइंग टू कवर इफ सडनली इफ द बॉल इज प्लेड टू हिम, कौन चेज करने वाला है. लाइक दिस मैनेजिंग द शेप एंड द प्लेयर्स वेयर यू नीड टू बी, ये मिलके करना चाहिए, सिर्फ हमेशा एक ही प्लेयर का नहीं है. But yeah, that is another thing I think we will need against Everton tomorrow.
So let's look at the shape and predicted lineup for Everton.
Mm-hmm.
So they play either in a 4-3-3 or a 4-2-3-1, just like United. They have a decent back four, but Nikhil, just before we got on here, you were saying that they are conceding more than a goal a game. Abhi tak wo log ne same number of clean sheets rakhe as United in the league, which is
one clean sheet both the teams have kept, and हाँ मतलब उन्होंने उतना ही कंसीड किया. They have conceding 1.6 goals, so chances तो बहुत रहेंगे अगर if we really try to exploit them.
Yeah. So they'll play 4 at the back. So Keane and Mina will be the center backs. I think Digne is a player to watch for on the left hand side. He covers a lot of ground. He puts a lot of good crosses in. Calvert-Lewin can be on the end of a lot of those crosses. They have a very hard-working central midfield. So Doucouré, he supports the right hand side. So if you look at James Rodriguez's pitch map, he almost always cuts inside. So he gets the ball close to the halfway line or just inside their own half. He cuts inside and plays those balls in. And Doucouré does a lot of hard work. So you'll see Rodriguez and Doucouré combining a lot on the right hand side. Calvert-Lewin, if you see two distinct red patches. One red patch is on the right hand side, where almost when Rodriguez gets the ball on the right hand side and starts cutting in, he moves on the wide right to get in Rodriguez's position. So you will see Calvert-Lewin again on the right hand side or right in front of the 6-yard box. So you will almost see a team of Rodriguez, Doucouré, and Calvert-Lewin attacking from the right hand side, whereas Digne will own the left hand side. मैंने इसका heat map देख के he is constantly up and down that left hand side channel. He will completely own that left hand side. So they have quite a bit going in their attack. We are actually lucky that Richarlison is still suspended for this game. Otherwise, they would have had an even more potent attack even from the left hand side. So we have enough to watch out for. I think there will be goals in this game.
So moving on to score predictions, मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि बहुत chances create होंगे दोनों साइड से. जैसे हमने बात की goals तो concede कर रहे हैं teams. I feel 2-2 would be a fair score. हम vulnerable तो रहेंगे. We haven't kept a clean sheet. Everton haven't kept a clean sheet. So 2-2 seems a realistic score. I would actually hope that we score a goal extra so that we win this and get some confidence. But yeah. So let's get on to man of the match predictions. Saurabh, क्या लगता है कौन रहेगा man of the match?
मुझे लगता है Anthony Martial has to turn up for this game, especially after his red card. This is his first appearance in the Premier League after that red card. He has been starving for goals. A goal against Istanbul would have helped. A goal, the penalty against Leipzig would have helped, but he Premier League अपना bread and butter है. 3 matches वो बाहर बैठा है. He has seen the team struggle for goals. He will come out all fired and he will score goals tomorrow.
Cool. So it's fair to conclude, कल अगर जी जान से खेले हम लोग, or if we work much harder than the Everton lineup, we are bound to at least draw or maybe win this game. Let's hope that happens. I hope you guys liked our content till now. Continue watching and please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.